Hi guys, this is part 2 of my HP Spectre 15-inch 2020 review. I have so much to say about the Spectre's display that I thought I would just dedicate an entire video just talking about it. Because the display is almost borderless, the unit feels a lot more compact compared to last year's model, especially while being carried around. Now, HP also gives you 3 options for the display. IPS 340 nits, and for an additional $50, you can get an upgrade to a brighter screen at 400 nits. And if you want the best display that money can buy, then you can go for the AMOLED 400 nits for just another $50. Now the one I have here is the AMOLED version, and this display is just stunning. To compare LCD versus OLED, I set up the Yo-Yo 4K LCD to see how it compares with the Spectre's OLED. The Yo-Yo display, even though it's not a popular brand, is actually brighter than my previous Spectre, so it's actually a good display. As you can see, there's a big difference. Because OLED has perfect blacks and HDR, the colors just become more vivid, and just like going 4K, when your eyes get used to OLED, you don't want to go back to LCD. And with the OLED, you can watch Netflix content in HDR. I was able to try last year's Spectre's OLED, and I was really disappointed with that display. There was a honeycomb pattern reminiscent of old LCD displays that I just had to sell it. I'm glad to say that although this display has a similar honeycomb pattern, you can only see it when you are really close to the display, making it almost negligible. You probably don't see it in this video, but one thing I noticed is that the OLED display has a warm yellowish tint, almost as if nightlight or the blue light filter is on. So if I compare it to last year's LCD display, the LCD is noticeably whiter compared to the OLED display. Even my Samsung Note 10's screen is whiter than this one. But I think I can overlook that because of the 400 nits of brightness. The display is so bright that sometimes I find myself decreasing its brightness, especially while using it in the dark. Overall, I'm very happy with this display, and I think it's easily worth the extra $100. You can also download HP's Display Control app from the Windows Store. The app allows you to change color presets supposedly optimized for watching movies, viewing photos, or just web surfing. It also has a power saving mode, which should extend battery life. So that's it for my review of the HP Spectre X360's OLED display. Now, in my last video, I mentioned that the fans weren't really noisy enough to be annoying, but I take that back. Do you hear that noise in the background? Those are actually the fans kicking in, and sometimes they can be really annoying, especially when you're making a review like this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like the video. I'm trying to really grow this channel, so I'd appreciate it if you can subscribe to it as well. Now, stay tuned for part 3 of the review. So if you want to get notified as soon as that video comes out, please hit the bell icon as well. So that's it for today. Thanks. Till next time. Bye.